Hi everyone, Tapik from CSCT Department from SNS College of Technology. So today we are going to have a debate among the students on the topic of anti-drug awareness, and from the side they are going to talk about the advantages of using the anti-drug, and from the side they are going to talk about the disadvantages of within the drug. Okay, so let's start.
Good morning, all. Myself, Jayazati. First of all, I'll just give an introduction to anti-drug awareness. Anti-drug awareness is a movement which aims to educate the people, especially youngs like us, who undergoes a drug very quickly. Its main purpose to prevent the youngs from drug addiction. Drugs normally destroys the people's lives who are using most addiction. um, they harm the brain and their mental health and their physical health also.
Okay. And it reduces the awareness program reduces drug usage. Awareness lowers the chances of people trying drugs, promotes healthy lifestyle, encourages sports hobbies and better life choices, and it supports community safety. Fewer drugs user means fewer crimes, accidents, and health emergencies. Help seeks treatment. Awareness spreads knowledge about counseling and rehabilitation. Thank you.
Can I introduce yourself and
Myself, Basha from second year CSD. Anti-drug awareness means efforts or actions taken to prevent people from using harmful drugs. We can spread anti-drug awareness by giving counselings, evaluations, and social media campaigns, travelers and all. Anti-drug awareness can be a very important thing because it can develop students' mindset. Because as person that not addiction can have very focused and healthy mindset.
so one Rita, you have to talk about either to us or your TV. Okay?
I'm Sansima from VACSD. In my opinion, anti-drug awareness is not only about saying no to drugs, it's about saying yes to life and health.
Hi, I'm Dashki. I need to say what anti-drug brings. Anti-drug brings using or abusing drugs to refers the actions campaigns, prevents people from using the illegal words or misusing. For example, in our college campus, we are executing the program like anti-drug awareness. The teachers and students like say about the physical and mental health, social effect of doing the drug abuse and encouraging them to stay healthy and drug free.
This is Dhanushri. I'm going to say that anti-drug disadvantage of anti-drug awareness. One day seminars and event rally does not change motivate on that day alone. It does not help the entire whole like housing. So I disadvantage of actually some awareness.
Hi, this is Harshram from CSD. I'm going to say about anti-drug disadvantage. And when students are consumers are introduced to information about the drug, they might take it curious instead of avoiding.
At Sunena Kamplekega easy. Anti-drug awareness programs helpful, but they also have some limitation. Many people hear the message, but still continue to do it. The impact is not always strong. Campaigns can be costly and difficult to run everywhere. Can be costly then, especially in rural areas. Some people feel judged or scared to explain about their problems and to seek help from others. Then also without counseling and proper support, awareness alone cannot help a person to overcome runs.
And Ritika, my only question is, when you start doing an awareness program, you will want every student or every youngster to know what is our. So what if teens are like us? They want to know what a drug is, and then instead of going against it, what if they try with drugs? What if they're like, well, let's try it, and then we'll see the awareness, not that. So that's gonna backfire for what you're trying to do. Go.
And Mananya, and one more thing is not everyone in the society will follow the awareness system here. Some may not attend, some may not be influenced by the awareness system. So I don't agree with that.
So now you can course and if you're reviewing a book wisely, can share your ideas alone. So who wants to start? Had a debate me.
I strongly oppose this because it's a social responsibility. Each and every citizen must take care of it and plays a main role to spread the awareness. So if everyone get into it, it's going to be fine. I oppose Subhaina. He said campaigns are costly, but there are some people who conduct campaign only for their parcel and they want people to be ruthless. But what do you think about me? What is there people who want to be the foolish want to disco business and all they can about this spread awareness for the sake of money? No, there are no cultures that you said. But what but the business many people are more man the book people. How? No one don't first thing. No one says her social responsibility in this do. They have to do it costly, obviously. But there are some just like the but what is that most ordinary? It's ability there. Hello. So, oppose the Brigita, she said only awareness cannot make the person they overcome the rights. So awareness, just we say no to drugs. It motivates the students to say no to drugs, and they improves their decision making through this awareness program. They will get inspired. They will get some they will get some inspired from who are making the awareness program like us with their social responsibility. What I'm also saying, the curiosity among the person. Yeah, what if I didn't do drugs? And then when you come steam with drugs, I would want, I of course different opposite. I first want to try in a 40 and like I first try the drug, I see how it is happening, and then I'll go against it. What if I do this test? So that is the really curiosity is both a boon and bane.
So either you have to talk about either the fear or the mutual such things with it. Then
For that, people for the awareness to explain what the founders further. That is, it should be key in this money so that people can understand and they will realize and will love it.
Yes, and was being very poor and the Buddha's. Yes,
so who's got to confirm? Yeah.
Handing awareness protects people from addiction and encourages a healthy society. But for a real result, awareness must be supported with counseling and rehabilitation. It's industries.
From the side? From the bone, Okay, so anti-drug based on the usage. So we are using for the purpose will be staying healthy, and we are using for any other illegal activities or whatever. It's based on the cerebus mind cell, whatever, wherever you use it. So we should know our limitations to usage of the ribbons and whatever. So we say, but we should make an awareness among ourselves to make our society drug free. Okay? So love. Thank you.